Guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to prevent this error when creating a new IVASMS account. It's really easy and really simple. So first of all, if I try to sign in my account, let's start with that. If I try to sign in my account, I'll quickly sign in. As you can see, we're waiting for the Cloudflare to finish verifying me if I'm a bot or not. So you click login once it's done, and once it's done, you're literally going to go to the IVASMS dashboard where you have everything set for you. You have your dashboard, we have your client system, then we have your apps for getting numbers and all that. So what we're doing today is how to create a new account on IVASMS and avoiding this error, access denied 403 error. First of all, I'm going to show you why this happens and explain exactly how to bypass it. So first of all, this happens because IVASMS in their terms and services, they don't allow multiple account creations. Not exactly multiple account creation, but they don't allow bots automation. So they don't allow any of that. So literally you have to avoid that kind of stuff. So what they do to like track this is your IP and your device fingerprint. And when I say IP, you can't bypass this with a proxy or a VPN. It's not going to work. And also when it comes to fingerprint, it's really crucial that you follow the exact steps in this video to avoid this issue. So obviously the first thing you want to do, you're going to have to not contact their support team because you don't want to be doing that. It's not going to work. So first of all, you can see here I'm in the app. This is my account that I already created a long time ago, and you can already sign in your already created account without having to get that 404 error. Access is permanently banned. Exactly. So the first thing you need to do is obviously you want to like let me say use a secure browser. Yeah, that's what we're going to be using. And you want to use a secure browser that hides your IP and hides your fingerprint, your device fingerprint. And for these are for people that don't have a second device, because to bypass this you need a second device. For this you need another device to sign up and create a new account. But with this method you do not need another device. You can use the same device that is blocking and you're getting that same issue. So if you're going to use a new browser and you're not going to use Chrome, you don't want to be using Chrome, Firefox, you want to be avoiding these browsers because they expose your IP. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this browser. No, not this. I'm going to be leaving the link to this browser, and obviously you already, I think you already know this browser. It's really easy to use, and I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to use it. And I'm going to be dropping the link to this browser so you can download it with your PC. But don't worry if you don't have that, you can use something like Brave browser as well. That is secure. You have to just configure the stuff and settings. But this one is called Tor Browser, and I'm going to be leaving the link in the description to be able to download this browser privately and securely without any issues. So obviously you want to be searching 𝐕ASMS.com with this browser. So we're going to put that in. So once you put that in, you're going to be seeing a lot of websites there. You can see protected. You can see it's protected. They're never going to track your searches, track your IP. Yeah, that's you track your fingerprint. So you're going to see loads of websites when you do 𝐕ASMS.com. You just want to click the first one that pops up, which is this one. You want to click that first one. You don't want to make any issues with this. Now, obviously, we're not going to be clicking on sign in because we want to create a new account, not sign an account. We want to be creating a new account. So obviously, clicking on this button, create a free account and register. You also click on that. Once you click on that, you've seen why in this page, this slash register endpoint, where you will be able to create a new account. And unlike when we use Chrome, we get this error. We get this error 403 access permanently banned. You don't want to be using Chrome, you don't want to be using Firefox for this. It's not going to work. You want to be using Tor Browser. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description to be able to download this browser. So obviously you want to verify your human and email address. You don't need to use your personal email address. You can get a spare email, like a temporary email. There are loads of websites, there are loads of Telegram bots you can use as well. I'm going to be dropping them in the description. So yeah, we've reloaded and the Cloudflare was successful. What do we need to do now? We're going to put a temp email in here. You can literally use any Gmail you want, anything at all. Once you do that, they're going to send you a code and you verify your code. And once you verify your code, they're going to tell you stuff like you have to like yeah, put some details, your payment details, because I told you guys I'm going to be talking about monetization in my next video. You're going to put stuff like payment details, contact details. It's really brief. Yeah, you don't want to put anything personal, but like that's your choice. But you just want to put all that. Let's put all that in. You're going to have to create a new account, and that's really easy. And just make sure you don't use Chrome browser, you don't use Firefox. Now let's talk about for phones, for mobile phones, obviously. But for mobile phones, you can't use this browser because it's not on mobile phones, it's only on PC. So for mobile phones, you can use stuff like Brave browser because that's very secure as well. Or you can just set your browsers that you can literally use that maxes your IP. You can ask AI, you can ask ChatGPT, you can ask anything. You just gotta do your research. But I'm gonna be recommending this browser anyway, this Tor browser, because it's really good. As you can see, if I log out of my already signed in account, and if I press and create a free account and register, I'm going to be getting this 403 assist permanently banned error. That's what I'm going to be getting, and you don't want to be getting that as well. Don't use Chrome. Do not use Chrome. You want to be using a secure browser. You want to be using Tor browser, and that is the end of this video. As you can see, in Tor browser, it lets us create a new account. So you also want to be checking out my other tutorials if you found this video helpful, and if you have any issues, make sure to drop them in the comments.